Right now, being a returner to Socrates and having enjoying my, second innings to the fullest, that I wanted to come back and, try out a hand, exploring the world outside and bringing all those learnings and, trying to solve for a different arm together on the client success side. Yes.
Today we have with us our friend Shubham Gaur. Shubham Gaur is one more pillar in the leadership team. And welcome, Shubham, to this series, Heroes of Socrates. Thanks for taking our time. So, Shubham would like to hear from you what it has been for you at Socrates.
Sure. I think first of all, thank you. Thanks a lot, Manoj. Glad like I could be, a part of this series, Heroes of Socrates. It has been a tremendous journey in terms of, what not a person would want or would want to have, in their professional careers, right? And it has been a little beyond that. It has been more of a family to me, right? And right now, being a returner to Socrates and having enjoying my, second innings to the fullest, that I wanted to come back and, try out a hand, exploring the world outside and bringing all those learnings and, trying to solve for a different arm together on the client success side. Yes. So far, so good, very enriching experience, I would say.
Fantastic. Thanks, Shubham, for your that very humble and very candid update. This second innings and bringing the plethora of knowledge from outside and converging to help things happen in your best way possible. Great. How and what was that we did right, or what is that you feel we did to sail through this turbulence of last 1 year?
I think to begin with, the first 2.5 months, I would be very honest that it was surely the most challenging time because we never predicted, that whatever we were working in terms of strategies, we never had that caveat of COVID, impacting us to this extent. But I think the beauty, internally, how I see, that recovery period, right? Because no one knew what's the right path to come out of it. I think that recovery has been even faster. And I think we kind of understood the value of, personal interactions. On the other side, once we started, accepting this as the new normal, I think there were two things that we were trying to manage, right, at my side. Number one, I think the empathy quotient on the client side. So there would be demands, there would be abrupt demands of taking course corrections on the strategy, on the way we are working. So
Sure.
we kind of even while we were kind of facing it, we were very adaptive to our client tasks, right? Be it a 11 p.m. strategy change or anything of that sort, we were more than open, right,
Sure.
to kind of change it overnight. The second bit that we were trying to fully manage, right, and this has been immensely supported by the management, I would say. That was the empathy side on the team front, right? So it's time to get that patience, get that shoulder to shoulder support, right? Be it a bad internet or a bad connectivity, and I think we have been able to manage that efficiently.
Fantastic. Shubham, very nice and really appreciate what you brought about the sharing and with your strong interface with the client and helping them to be also very comfortable with us and go through this turbulence is not an easy task. And they were banking on us that how we can help them sail through this. Coincidentally, let me share you because I am the common thread who is talking to various folks. Two aspects which are coming very categorically in all these conversations when I'm talking is that uh, being patient is one skill that we really have learned in this 1 year. Patience is one thing which has been at a phenomenal test and learning. And the second thing which you mentioned is the empathy. These two qualities were, I think, probably two new building skills at its foremost top. These were two things necessary for the survival in this competitive world. What it is important to be successful at Socrati, because they are this all folks in the last 1 year who have joined are missing that our office life, where you can really sort out and trash out things, has become very distant. So somehow, वो जो एक challenge है, but I want to hear, because you have been pre-COVID with Socrati, and through this entire 1 year, you have been there. So what is according to you?
I feel I have been fortunate, in a few of the aspects. Back in 2015 when it was a 200, 250 kind of strength, right? It was a different world altogether, and I was very fortunate, to have my first mentoring you never forget, right? And I had that closer opportunity to get mentored by Santosh himself, right? Who's one of our co-founders. And once you get that taste of what is it to be a true Socrates, it somewhere affects your overall perspective towards your career, your growth, and everything. And I think from there, I was confident enough. They gave me that, like, you come with a challenge, I'll give you an even bigger opportunity, right? It's okay to be vulnerable, but every time you make a mistake, make a different one. And in between all of that, I think the essence has always remained the same. When you become more of a natural solution provider, so, and it's very inclusive, you are more than open, and that your suggestions can be actioned, if they make sense. So I think that has been one source of inspiration, and I think that is the beauty. It's kind of always forward looking. With all of that, I think combined, that gets you that sense of excitement. I think we have created those pockets of conversations. So I've been able to cope up in terms of feeling energized, feeling motivated.
Great. I think, Shubham, thanks for bringing that out. But the very interesting, which I caught in your conversation, is the mentioning of mentoring. 90% appreciated that the mentors are available 24/7. They are available, like you drop a note at 10:30 p.m. and they were surprised to see a response at 11 o'clock night. And for them, it was like an aha moment that their senior is responding to them. So what I wish to have and to leverage this is that, Shubham, what according to you is mentoring, and what should they expect from their mentor?
I have been given some task that I'm trying to cope up, right? And I know that, XYZ person did it 3 years back. Very different inside Socrates. To be very honest, they are so responsive, so approachable. You might not get a call back, right, at that very moment. But if you have, if you have given a call, you've texted them, you are surely getting back a response. So one thing around the mentoring is, if your mentors are approachable in the truest sense, I think that is what I think matters. The second thing is, mentoring is all about, a two-sided conversation. To come up and say that I don't know, but I have that, eagerness to learn from you, or with your experiences. Yeah.
True. Cool. Okay, great. Now let me come to one query, which is very, very, very directly intertwined with our business, and that is digital environment. So this digital ecosystem, I would classify as pre-COVID and post-COVID, primarily because it really has changed the whole canvas of the things globally, and especially after the pandemic. So, Shubham, what I would like from you is, why Socrati is the place for those who are aspiring to be in that digital ecosystem place.
It has become a neutral ground, I would say, in a lot of verticals, right? But I think the basics still hold true, right? In whatever vertical we talk about, that time wherein we should be giving a fresh perspective, to all of that we have been doing needs a relook. We have been doing as a team. We have been encouraged to do that. I think it kind of answers that question, why a person should look forward to Socrati, right? The strategy right now as a business is how quickly you adapt to such changes that are coming our way, right? There are different sort of timing, schedule related, strategy related changes. So the market has become more demanding in that aspect, and we are very very quickly adopting to it,
Correct.
to this stage wherein we don't even think about it now. We have quickly adopted to so many things in our routines, and we have taken those course corrections that it kind of comes out more effortlessly, I would say. To all the folks who haven't joined, if this excites you, going beyond your own usual limits, I think this is the place to be.
Very true. Very true. Fantastic. I think, Shubham, that was a very nice and very clearly focused summary. Our biggest strength is collaboration. We count on each other, we bank on each other, and that's what the life at Socrati is. So thanks, Shubham. And friends, thanks for watching this Heroes of Socrati, and keep looking out for such episodes and interesting information.